All right, guys, welcome back to part 7, the 1955 Lawn Boy restoration. This is the exciting one. I hope you're excited too. I'm putting the engine on the deck. So here we go. Stay tuned. All right, so we've got the deck all set up and we're ready to put the muffler plate on. Now, before you go ahead and install the muffler plate, you need to make sure that you run these muffler bolts through, because once you bolt this plate on, you're not going to be able to get these bolts that hold the muffler on. So line that up. There's that there. We'll very carefully go ahead and feed these bolts through. That plenty tight, and now we'll go ahead and install the muffler. And because these bolts on the back side of the plate have this square end on them, you don't need to get a wrench on the back side. They just kind of lock themselves in. Change to a 7/16. Okay, it's plenty snug. There we go. We got the muffler plate installed on the deck. Okay, I'll put the deck down on its wheels. There you go. Muffler plate's installed. Next will be the engine. Stand by. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Installing the engine on the deck. Oh, I forgot something. Okay. So the part I forgot to put on is your exhaust gasket and this metal flange here. So let's go ahead and try this again. There it is. Next is the bolts. All 3 in. Okay, now I've got to get the deck elevated a little bit to get underneath to get the bolts on. Okay, got the mower up on some blocks. So let's go ahead and get this engine bolted on. engine snugged up. Okay. Well, the engine's on. I'm gonna go get the shroud just to see how it looks. Let's put this shroud on. Fits like a glove. All right, looking good. See? Look at that. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching part 7. I know it was a short one, but I wanted to get this one out there because I was excited to get that engine on the deck, and I know you were probably excited to see it. So I know I said I'd wrap this series up in about 8 parts, but I still have to do the handle, install that, and put the blade on. So it's probably gonna be like more like 9 or 10 before I actually do the final one where we get it running and show you the final product. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And if you haven't gone and watched all the different parts, go ahead and start at part 1. I hope you're enjoying it.